Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Easy Craft Videos. I hope all my viewers are fine and doing well. So guys, I am back with another beautiful ideas about a Christmas festival. Christmas festival is a beautiful event and everyone waiting for the best Christmas decoration ideas. So guys, if you are searching in this type of videos that providing you the crafting designs, then you are on the right place. Christmas beautiful ideas, aesthetic designs of Christmas centerpieces, Christmas festival that the birth of Jesus Christ, religious and the culture celebration among the billions of people around the world. So guys, Christmas tree, Christmas greens tree, as well as the beautiful centerpieces designs, lights, ornamental as a part of the Christmas festivals. Christmas is just not a season, it's just a feelings of blessing and the best of all gifts around any Christmas tree, the presence of happy family and all the wrapped in each other. So guys, if you are converting into the crafting designs, there are many benefits of crafting, and people say see your projects about the Christmas decoration. So Merry Christmas and fill up not in this year but after the all the years, last years and after years. And since if you discuss about the crafting designs, tie projects, handmade, a sense of togetherness and providing the opportunities to create a memories during the holiday season and take the time to the families, relatives, colleagues. So guys, all designs related to the Christmas are available on my YouTube channel, all handmade ideas, seasonal designs, and most of the things and most of the time the candles look so amazing, look so attractive. Stars are add and ornamental ideas are add, so centerpieces look so amazing, look so stunning, look so adorable. So guys, watch the video, like my video, share my video with your family and friends who are watching the best Christmas decoration ideas. A large part of in this video we discuss about the decoration. Decoration can contribute to a more eco-friendly approach to produce different designs, create a new fun family and memories, and boost mental health. Make your decoration can be a more budget friendly than purchasing ready made ones, especially when you are recycled in expensive material like a wood. So guys, this collection is all about the waste of materials and low expensive ideas, budget friendly ideas, eco friendly ideas. So guys, watch the video, like my video, to share my videos with your family and friends who are watching the best YouTube channel that provides you the designs.